The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following New Jersey counties: Morris and Somerset, effective until 8:27 p.m. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Morris County in northern New Jersey, northeastern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Madison, or near Summit, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Morristown, Madison, Florham Park, East Hanover, Chatham, Morris Plains, Far Hills, Millington, Basking Ridge, North Plainfield, Bernardsville, Watchung, and Hanover Township. This includes the following highways: Interstate 287 W Jersey between mile markers 24 and 41. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 35 and 42. Precautionary/preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.